my book. This is a book. It is my book. It is a new book. It is an English book. I read it daily. It has 50 pages. Its cover is red. It has beautiful pictures. It is an interesting book. I like it very much.